Hello everyone, and welcome back. Made it up here to the tent this morning. Since my dad had his hip surgery and he can't come up here for, I don't know, another probably month and a half, I've been trying to get up here every 2 weeks, and last time I was up here 2 weeks ago and we had the picture of the bear on the front porch. Came around the corner here this morning and one had tried to get into the tent. Looking at the camera pictures, this happened right around 9 o'clock last night. It ripped the screen door a little bit. There's paw prints on the glass. And of course this here. I mean, this will be an easy enough fix. I mean, you know, I've got 3/4 inch plywood on the inside walls of this, and then I've got the styrofoam for insulation in there. So getting through this, I mean, any bear that wants to get in here could get in here. I mean, they're very strong. You could have just tore the door out. But what I'll do is this, like I have plywood here around the door, I will put another sheet and a partial sheet, do the same down there so it matches, and then I will paint it white. But I don't know, after all the years of the tent being up here, this is the first time anything like this happens. Looks like he did some clawing over here also. But for the hundreds of times I have to answer the question, why do you call it a tent and not a cabin? It's because it's a tent. I set up a tent, built a wooden frame inside of it, insulated, 3/4 inch plywood walls, and now it's ripped. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I just had to show this before I cover everything up. And you can stay tuned for a tent video coming up soon. I will see you guys on the next video.